Welcome to this presentation on the importance of strategic decision making. Whether you are a business leader, an entrepreneur, or simply someone looking to make better decisions in your personal life, understanding how to make strategic choices is crucial for success. Strategic decision making involves taking a step back from the immediate situation and considering the long-term implications of different options. By doing so, you can make more informed choices that align with your goals and values. This approach can help you avoid costly mistakes, capitalize on opportunities, and ultimately achieve greater success. Making a decision can be a complex process that involves many different factors. At its core, however, decision making involves a few key steps. The first step is to identify the problem or situation that requires a decision. This may involve gathering information from various sources, such as colleagues, experts, or data. Once you have identified the problem, the next step is to gather information about possible solutions or options. This may involve brainstorming, researching, or consulting with others. It's important to consider all options and evaluate them based on their pros and cons, as well as how they align with your goals and values. Finally, once you have evaluated all the options, you can make a decision based on the information you have gathered. Emotions play a significant role in decision making. They can affect our perceptions, judgments, and choices. For example, if we are feeling anxious or fearful, we may be more likely to make a conservative decision, even if it is not the best option. On the other hand, if we are feeling confident or optimistic, we may take more risks than we should. Therefore, it is important to be aware of our emotions and how they may be influencing our decisions. One strategy for managing emotions in decision-making is to take a step back and evaluate the situation objectively. This can involve asking ourselves questions like, what are the facts? And what are the potential consequences of each option? Another strategy is to seek input from others who may have a different perspective. By considering multiple viewpoints, we can make a more informed and rational decision. One of the most critical components of making an informed decision is utilizing data. Collecting and analyzing data can help you gain valuable insights into your options and make a more informed choice. By using data, you can reduce bias and subjectivity in your decision-making process. To gather data, start by identifying what information is relevant to your decision. This could include market trends, customer feedback, or financial data. Once you have identified your sources, it's essential to analyze the data effectively. Look for patterns and trends that can inform your decision. You can also use tools like graphs and charts to help visualize the data and make it easier to understand. When making strategic decisions, it's important to carefully consider the potential risks and rewards involved. Risk management is the process of identifying and assessing potential risks and taking steps to minimize or mitigate them. By balancing the potential risks and rewards, you can make a well-informed choice that maximizes your chances of success. To effectively balance risks and rewards, you need to gather as much information as possible about the decision at hand. This includes not only analyzing data, but also considering the potential emotional and psychological impact of the decision. By weighing all of these factors, you can make a more informed choice that takes into account both the potential benefits and drawbacks. In conclusion, strategic decision-making is a critical skill for personal and professional success. By understanding the decision-making process, managing emotions, using data to make informed decisions, and balancing risks and rewards, individuals can become more effective and efficient decision-makers. It's important to remember that becoming a strategic decision-maker is not an overnight process. It takes time, practice, and patience. However, by applying the strategies discussed in this presentation, individuals can develop the skills necessary to make well-informed decisions that lead to success. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.